Tinubu, where Atiku, never hear say water don't carry almost everywhere for Nigeria. Where una can't see una mate. Peter Obi suspend campaign just to be with these people, to show solidarity with them. Which person will ever see like this? Atiku will ever consider for this kind of thing? They play with children like this, they play with people, they sympathize with them. I've been at Tinubu. This is the kind of president Nigeria need now. Someone that can associate with the youth. Someone that the youth can have enough confidence with. Someone where the youth go fit talk to. Somebody where the youth go fit get close to. Person where the youth go trust. The betterment of Nigeria, the hope of the youth of Nigeria. That is Peter Obi. Make una see ana. Una go fit do this kind of thing. Atiku, come see your people. They are water don't full everywhere for Nigeria. I don't even see una son I can't sympathize with them. I thought I won't even read there. See, una not even feel suspend a campaign, no. Now Peter Obi will just come. Now he they suspend campaign. They say no, he prefer to stay with these people and for him to campaign. What do you want campaign for? When people are mourning, when people they shed tears, when people there for abject poverty, people they lose their house, people they lose their business, people they die. Even coffee they swim on top of grave, they swim, everybody dead body they swim everywhere. Make a live now with the video.
Our president is coming out from the It's the president of the people. This is our president. By the grace of Almighty God.
Keep quiet.
Say Obi.
Where you? Just say
Obi, sir. He is here with us. He's the president of the people. He's here direct.